We have been spreading the idea that can control the bad bacteria with a good bacteria and support health by taking care of our gut. Thanks to this effort, the concept of probiotics has steadily gained ground in India. According to IMARC, the Indian probiotic drink market is expected to grow an average rate of 16.7% per year from 2025 to 2033, expanding the market size by more than 4 times in a decade. I'm thrilled to witness this change, especially since during the early days, the concept of probiotics strain, Lactobacillus casei strain Shirota strain in short, developed by Yakult. This strain was selectively cultivated in the 1930s by Dr. Scroll, live Shirota strain, which is meet the daily probiotic requirement. That is why we about the origin of Yakult. Yakult was created from Dr. Shirota's strong belief that the health should be supported through daily habits, not just through medicine after health issues occur. The strain not as a medicine, but as a to prevent illness rather than to cure it after you get it. He also believed that the gut is a fountain that has guided us since the beginning. Yakult, the gut expert. For over 90 years, we have continued to pursue the power of probiotics with science and dedication. Probiotics boost immunity, nutrition absorption, skin health, and even mental well-being. In this, delivering science-based product and concept information to help more people understand the value.
I'm right-handed, so I've got my right hand. Thank you very much, Manasa. Thank you, Sapti. Can we all say cheers?
It basically talks about your intestine, and it is the site for digestion of all the food that you eat and all the nutrients that you absorb, and also for removal of all the waste material. Now, when we talk about the gut, we also know that 70% of the about absorption of nutrients. It is also the largest immune organ of a human body, because it is the largest surface area which is exposed to bacteria, viruses, and all other harmful substances. And when we talk about the gut and the brain, scientists have discovered that there is a nerve in the body which is called the vagus nerve, which connects the gut to the brain and the brain to the gut. And that is why we say the gut-brain axis.
It is important not just to achieve a certain goal of you need to have a certain sized body, or you want to have your abs. It's also good to feel good from inside. I take care of it not just by properly timed meals in terms of you need to have a particular quantity to make sure your body digests it well, but also what you eat is digested in the best possible way is extremely important. So I actually have probiotics daily, like Yakult daily in my food diet, and especially the days when I have these kind of cheat meals, because that is extremely helpful to digest all these cheat meals. Every day, or I actually can say that every day. Maybe I would have skipped it when I'm traveling and forgotten it, which Amano-san will help me carry it always with me now. But at home, we've always had a stock of Yakult. Probiotics in general, I would say, is everyday requirement of the body.
Actually, the time I came here 2006 and we prepared, and 2008 we launched the product. At that time, actually, none of the people know about probiotics and the Yakult brand name. So at a very hard time to even at safe start and everything. But continuously last 18 years, we have dedicated promotion activities, science activities, and gradually the awareness of probiotics and good branded nutrition. So recently, most of the people know about probiotics, and this is a very big change for us.
ज़्यादा अच्छा फील होता है बिकॉज उसके बाद मैं जो खा सो मैंने अपने मील प्लान्स में इंट्रोड्यूस करके ट्राई एंड टेस्ट करके कि आप देखिए सब बॉडी हर एक की बॉडी अलग अलग होती है आपको ट्राई करना पड़ेगा कि दिन के किस समय में आप याकुल्ट पिएंगे तो आपकी बॉडी को डाइजेस्ट करने में आसानी लगे तो मेरे को पर्सनली अगर आप पूछे तो मेरे को खाली पेट अगर मैं याकुल्ट खाऊं और पीऊं और उसके बाद खाना खाऊं तो मुझे ज़्यादा बेटर लगता है ये मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है याकुल्ट के साथ ज़रूरी नहीं है सबका वैसा काइंड ऑफ मैंने ऐसा आंसर दिया ही है अभी इस चीज़ का आई डिड हैव प्रॉब्लम ऑफ फीलिंग दैट माई बॉडी हैज़ लो मेटाबॉलिज्म at extremely young age, which was very scary. I had because of the erratic work hours in this profession, because of the fact that our food timings are not fixed, where we eat is not fixed. Every time we cannot control the kind of food that we are eating. So yes, I did have a lot of gut issues, which got slowly and steadily changed, and very happily I can say right now I think I have quite a strong gut. And hence I can afford to eat whatever I want. And one of the, apart from yes, of course, probiotics help. So Yakult was one of the things that I introduced in my diet to combat all my gut issues. And there's a, but overnight kuch nahi hota hai. So you have to slowly and steadily repair your gut. Have slightly healthier eating habits. Healthy eating habits में ये नहीं कह रही कि सब मतलब सैलेड खाना शुरू कर दो. अगर आपको छोले भटूरे भी खाने हैं तो घर में भी बनते हैं so there are a lot of ways you have to tweak few things to have healthy alternates of things
तो उस तरीके से आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आपको इसके बॉडी की इम्प्रूवमेंट में ना आपको नजर आने लगे
कुछ डिसीज को भी
तो जब हम डिजीज की बात करते हैं अभी जब हम याकुल्ट की बात कर रहे हैं हम प्रिवेंटिव हेल्थ की बात कर रहे हैं क्योर ये डिजीज को भी क्योर करता है मगर फिर जो बैक्टीरिया के डोजेस हैं वो बहुत बढ़ जाते हैं और वो पाउडर फॉर्म में भी आता है मगर इंडिया में तो हमने सिर्फ प्रोबायोटिक फूड लिए
stress is inevitable in our lives be it my profession or yours or anybody else's and it directly affects your gut and it directly results in things like acidity and reflux so yes since that also is connected with your gut the reflux. So I think having a strong gut is also going to somewhere help. Of course, there's so many other things to manage stress, right? I can also tell you about you need to get out of social media. I'm not, if not fully, at least try and detoxify yourself from being on social media regularly. But yeah, body detoxification kind of a probiotic like Yakult will help you with that. But yes, you can all probably guarantee and the fact that whenever you've felt stressed, you've felt acidic in your body. That's because your gut instantly reacts to that stress. That's ऐसे थोड़ा ना उसको second brain कहते हैं. It kind of shows you the result of stress right there.
Thank you.